Hello and a warm welcome to Python in Data Science for C Sharp and .NET developers. Hi, I am Kaushik, your instructor for this course, and I come from a strong C Sharp and .NET background myself, and I know how daunting it can feel when you are starting with Python, especially in the data science space. But here is the good news. You already have a developer mindset. You just need to translate your existing skills into a new syntax and workflow. That's exactly what this course is about. So let's see what you learn. Will you will be setting up your development environment with Python and Visual Studio Code and Jupyter notebooks. From there, we'll dive into Python fundamentals, but from a C Sharp developer's perspective, we'll draw parallels whenever it is possible to do so, so that you always know how things map. Then we'll shift to the core libraries. The core libraries are pandas for data handling, numpy for number crunching, and matplotlib for and Seaborn for data visualization. Finally, we'll cap it off with a mini machine learning project using scikit-learn. Now, who is this course for? If you know C Sharp or .NET and want to get into Python plus data science, you're in the right place. If you have a backend developer trying to understand data workflows, this course is for you also. And if you are switching careers or expanding your skill set, I have designed this to be simple, clear, and actionable. And the tools you will use: Python 3.12 or newer, Visual Studio Code, Jupyter notebooks inside Visual Studio Code, and some cool real datasets on CSV and JSON. So let's get started. So in the next lecture, I will share how this course is specifically tailored for C Sharp developers like you and why that's important. Thank you very much.